Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today the topic of my name is Ishika Agarwal and the college roll number 205039. Topic of my presentation is group. So actually what is group? A group is an algebraic structure of a set G and when a binary operation star is defined on G, then G comma star is called the group, and a set is called a group if it satisfies the following four conditions. First is the closure property. If A comma B belongs to G and when a star operation is applied on A and B, then it also belongs to G, then it holds a closure property. Second is an associative law. If A star bracket B star C bracket close is equals to bracket A star B bracket close star C such that A comma B comma C belongs to G, then it says to hold an associative law. Third is an existence of an identity. There exists an identity if E in G such that A star E is equals to E star A is equals to A. And the fourth property, the existence of an inverse. For every A belongs to G, there exists an A inverse which also belongs to G such that A into A inverse is equals to A inverse star A is equals to E. Thus, a G is a group if it satisfied closure property, associative law, there exists an identity and existence of an inverse. Then a set is said to be a set is said to be a group. Then next is theory of the group. First is an algebraic structure. A non-empty set together with more than one binary operation is called an algebraic structure. If more than one binary operations are applied on an on a set, a non-empty set, then it is said to be an algebraic structure. Next is a groupoid or binary algebra. A non-empty set with one binary operation is called a groupoid. Suppose on an actual number we apply an operation star. Here is an addition. So if all the properties get satisfied, then it is a group first, and only one operation is applied here, so it is a groupoid. When two operations are applied on any algebraic structure R, then it is called an algebraic structure. Then what is a semi group? An algebraic structure is a semi group if a binary operation star satisfied, if associative law satisfied, then it is called a semi group. Then what is a monoid? A semi group is called a monoid if there exists an identity. Here is the first example. If Q be a set of all positive rational number and star be an operation applied on Q such that A star B is equals to AB by 3, such that A comma B belongs to Q. We need to show that Q comma star is a group. Find the identity in this group. We need to find an identity. Closure property. If A B by 3 belongs to G and A comma B, or if A and B already belongs to G, then the product also must also be belongs to G now. So closure property is satisfied here. Next is an associative law. If left hand side is equals to right hand side, that is left hand side is A star B bracket A star B bracket close star C, and right hand star is A star bracket B star C bracket close, then associative law satisfied. Here left hand side is A star B becomes AB by 3 star C. On applying AB by 3 now becomes A and C becomes B, so it becomes ABC by 9. And right hand side is A star B star C becomes BC by 3, and A star BC by 3 becomes A, B, C by 9. So associative law here is satisfied. Existence of an identity. If A star E is equals to E star A is equals to A, such that if A star E is here, A star E is equals to E by 3 is equals to A, and A get cancelled. E, the value of identity comes out here to be 3. Here 3 is an identity and existence of an inverse. Now we will calculate an inverse. If B is the inverse of A, as B belongs to Q, then B star A is equals to E is equals to 3. It becomes AB by 3 is equals to 3, and the value of B comes out here is 9 by A. Since A belongs to Q, so 9 by A also belongs to Q. Hence 9 by A star A is equals to 9A by 3A. A cancel out, it becomes 3 is equals to 3. So A star 9 by A is an inverse of A. Now, what is an abelian or a commutative group? A group G comma star is said to be an abelian or a commutative if star is commutative. Also a group G comma star is an abelian if commutative law holds. मतलब हम कह सकते हैं ग्रुप कम्यूटेटिव कब होगा या एबेलियन कब होगा. वो ग्रुप एबेलियन जब होगा जब वो ग्रुप की सेटिस्फाइड कंडीशन करे और कम्यूटेटिव लॉ को भी होल्ड करे. कम्यूटेटिव लॉ क्या होता है? ए स्टार बी इज इक्वल टू बी स्टार ए, देन इट इज सेड टू बी अ abelian group. Now we will revise what you have studied. What is a semi group? A group is said to be a semi group if only associative law holds. What is called a monoid? Monoid if semi associative law holds and existence of an identity exists. Identity E exists. What when we will call a group? We will call a group when associative law holds. When मतलब हम कह सकते हैं वो ग्रुप कब होगा? जब वो एक सेमी ग्रुप होगा, मतलब एसोसिएटिव लॉ होल्ड करेगा. वो मोनोइड होगा, मतलब एसोसिएटिव लॉ भी होल्ड करेगा, साथ में वो आइडेंटिटी भी एग्जिस्ट करेगा और थर्ड प्रॉपर्टी इनवर्स भी एग्जिस्ट करेगा, देन वो ग्रुप होगा. और अब वो एबेलियन कब होगा? जब वो एसोसिएटिव लॉ होल्ड करेगा, दैट इज हम कह सकते हैं सेमी ग्रुप होगा. वो मोनोइड होगा, मतलब वो सेमी ग्रुप प्लस आइडेंटिटी भी उसकी एग्जिस्ट कर रही होगी. और हम प्रॉपर वे में कह सकते हैं जब वो ग्रुप होगा, मतलब जब एसोसिएटिव लॉ होल्ड करेगा, विच इज़ अ कंडीशन फॉर सेमी ग्रुप. हम कह सकते हैं वो मोनोइड होगा, मतलब वो आइडेंटिटी और सेमी और एसोसिएटिव दोनों होगा. या हम कह सकते हैं ग्रुप होगा, मतलब आइडेंटिटी इनवर्स एसोसिएटिव तीनों प्रॉपर्टी होल्ड कर रही ग्रुप के कहने से. और साथ में एक प्रॉपर्टी और ऐड हो जाती है विच इज़ कम्यूटेटिव लॉ. finite or an infinite group. A group is said to be a finite if the number of elements are finite in set, and a group is said to be an infinite when the number of n number of elements are given in a set. मतलब अगर लिमिटेड एलिमेंट होंगे तो हम कह सकेंगे ग्रुप फिनाइट है. अगर अनलिमिटेड होंगे देन इट इज एन इनफिनाइट. इनफिनाइट देयर एग्जिस्ट order of the group. The number of an element in a finite group is called an order of the group. नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट, कितने एलिमेंट होते हैं एक ग्रुप में, उसे ऑर्डर कहते हैं. ऑर्डर ऑफ एन एलिमेंट of multiplicative group is least positive number n such that a n is equals to e. Here e is an identity. For example, we need to find an order of 1 in multiplicative group 1 minus 1 I minus I. Here 1 is we have from the composition table we get that here 1 is an identity, or we can calculate identity by the formula a star e is equals to e star a. A star e is equals to e star a is equals to a. Here, so we get that one is an identity, and we need to calculate in order of 1. Order of 1 की power 1. We need to get, मतलब n की एक ऐसी पावर हमें लानी है कि आइडेंटिटी के बराबर आ जाए. अब हमें पता है 1 का ऑर्डर अगर हम n की 1 रखेंगे तो आइडेंटिटी के बराबर आ जाएगी. तो यहाँ पे ऑर्डर ऑफ 1 जो है वो 1 है। -1 की क्या पावर रखें जो आइडेंटिटी की, 2, तो ऑर्डर ऑफ -1 जो होगा वो 2 हो जाएगा। अब आई स्क्वायर की हम ऐसी क्या पावर, आई की ऐसी क्या पावर रखें जो 1 आ जाए। 1 आइडेंटिटी ने आई स्क्वायर -1 होता है, आई की पावर 4 रखेंगे। आई स्क्वायर यहाँ पे शायद कुछ गड़बड़ हो गई क्योंकि आई स्क्वायर -1 होता है, तो आई स्क्वायर की जब हम पावर 4 रखेंगे तो ऑर्डर 4 आएगा, और यहाँ पे -i का ऑर्डर आएगा v4 आएगा। सो हेयर ऑर्डर ऑफ 1 इज़ 1, order of -1 is 2, order of I is 4, and -i is also 4. So I hope that I was able to clear the topic group, and thank you for watching.